What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about RCBC Unli Pay. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng RCBC Unli Pay guys? Or RCBC Credit Card Unli Pay. So pag-uusapan natin guys, how does it work? At saka paano nga ba gamitin yung RCBC Unli Pay feature sa RCBC Credit Card natin? I-share ko sa inyo guys yung fees and charges. Magkano nga ba yung babayaran ninyo if ever na mag-avail kayo? Magkano yung interest rates? At the same time, paano yung process? Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see dito guys, RCBC Unli Pay is a feature in the RCBC Pulse app that allows credit card holders to send money instantly to any bank account or e-wallet using their available credit limit. So as you can see dito guys, using your credit limit, you can use it para mag-send kayo ng pera sa any bank account or any e-wallet na para bang nag-fund transfer kayo. But the thing is, gamit yung credit limit ninyo sa RCBC credit cards. So let's talk furthermore. It is designed for paying rent, tuition, or small business suppliers. Transactions incur 3% processing fee or 50 pesos whichever is higher, which can be converted to installment. So ano nga ba ibig sabihin nito guys? Isa-isahin natin ulit. It is designed for paying rent, tuition, or small business suppliers. So, nakadesign siya na para bang nagbabayad kayo using that bank account or any account or e-wallets. Using your credit limit na para bang may cash kayo tapos magta-transfer kayo doon. Ngayon, yung transaction fee niya or yung interest rate or yung processing fee, kumbaga, is 3% of processing fee or 50 pesos whichever is higher. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Transactions incurs at 3% processing fee. So ngayon, kung magkano yung 3% ng ginamit ninyo, kung magkano yung in-avail ninyo sa RCBC Unli Pay, yung 3% nun is yung magiging processing fee. Ngayon, kung mas mababa sa 50 pesos yung 3% ng amount na yun, magiging 50 pesos automatic yung availment fee. Kasi nakalagay is whichever is higher. Then as you can see, which can be converted to installment. So, right after niyo mag-avail, pwede niyo ipa-convert into installment. How RCBC Unli Pay works? So yan, let's talk about how does RCBC Unli Pay works. Paano nga ba ito gumagana, no? Purpose, allows you to send money to beneficiaries even if they don't accept credit cards directly. So as you can see dito guys, it allows you to send money na para bang pera mo yan, tapos ito-transfer mo ngayon sa bank account or sa e-wallet. Kahit hindi sila tumatanggap ng card payment, it's because it's a feature na kung saan automatic yung credit limit ninyo sa RCBC credit card is pwede siyang ma-convert into cash by transferring it to any account. Ito yung parang pang-akit ni RCBC sa mga clients nila. Real-time transfer. Funds are typically transferred instantly. So as you can see, real-time yung transfer niya guys. Right after na mag-transact kayo, na-confirm na lahat ng transactions, after that, makikredit agad sa beneficiary account or kung kaninong account yun na pinadalhan ninyo ng RCBC Unli Pay. Funding source. Using your RCBC credit card limit. Hindi mo siya sariling pera, kundi pera ng credit limit ng RCBC credit card ninyo. Installment conversion. Unli Pay transactions can be converted into Unli installment for 3 to 36 months. Ang galing, di ba? Ang ganda ng feature na ito sa RCBC credit card, guys, to be honest. Yung in-Unli Pay ninyo, yung ginamit ninyong amount, ngayon, kung hindi mo kayang bayaran ng buo, pwede mo siya ngayon ipa-convert into Unli installment, which is 3 months to 36 months ang katagal or yung payment terms ninyo. Or yung payment terms niya. 36 months means 3 years. It's because 1 year is equivalent to 12 months. So times 3, 36 months siya. So 3 years yung katagal na pwede nyong bayaran yung in-Unli Pay ninyo sa RCBC credit card ninyo. Fees. Usually 3% of the transaction amount or 50 pesos whichever is higher. Though 0% processing fee, promos are offered periodically. So kanina na-explain ko na 3% yung transaction fee niya kung magkano yung transact ninyo. Yung magiging processing fee niya is 3% nun. Ngayon, kung yung 3% ng transact ninyo is hindi umabot ng 50 pesos, so automatic yun, 50 pesos yung magiging processing fee. Ngayon, kung lumagpas naman ng 50 pesos yung 3% ng in-unli pay ninyo sa RCBC credit card, so yun yung masusunod. Like for example, 10,000. So magkano yung 3% ng unli pay? 300 pesos. So yun yung masusunod. Magiging 300 pesos yung processing fee ng unli pay ninyo sa RCBC credit card. How to use UnliPay in RCBC Pulse application or app. So, paano nga ba gamitin yung UnliPay feature ng RCBC credit card sa RCBC Pulse app? Step 1, log into the RCBC Pulse app. Of course, kailangan nyo mag-log in. Next is, go to the credit card tab. Punta kayo sa credit cards nyo, piliin nyo kung ano yung credit card na gusto nyo gamitin for UnliPay. Tap UnliPay. Enter the recipient's bank, e-wallet, account details, amount, and payment purpose. So ngayon, ilalagay mo ngayon yung details kung kanino mo ipapadala, yung account number, yung pangalan, lahat-lahat. Review and slide to pay. So there's an option doon na parang kung confirm na, swipe mo lang na pa ganyan. Verify the transaction with one-time password, OTP, or biometrics. So ito guys, crucial part ito. Kailangan nandyan yung mobile number na nakalink sa RCBC credit card ninyo noong nag-apply kayo ng RCBC credit card. Dapat na-access nyo yun. Bakit? Kasi doon kayo papadala ng verification, which is yung OTP or one-time PIN na sinasabi. Kaya naman make sure na-access nyo yun para ma-receive ninyo at ma-verify yung RCBC UnliPay transaction ninyo using your RCBC credit card. Key tips. Conversion. You can convert your UnliPay transaction into installment for 3 months or more. So, tulad na sabi ko nila, pwedeng ipa-installment kung magkano yung in-UnliPay ninyo. Promos. Watch for limited time promotions that offer waive or lower processing fees. So, sometimes, nag-o-offer sa RCBC na no processing fee. So, napakagandang oportunidad nun. Hindi mo kailangan isipin kung magkano yung babayaran mo sa ginamit ninyong UnliPay feature sa RCBC credit card ninyo. It's because, minsan, libre lang siya. Access. Ensure you have the latest version of our RCBC Pulse app. So make sure lang guys na i-update ninyo yung RCBC Pulse app ninyo para updated lahat ng details, lahat ng kailangan yung kakailanganin is nandun yung feature kasi from time to time, nag-update sa RCBC ng application nila. So yun guys, take note lang na ito ay utang, no? Hindi po ito savings account. Parang it works like a savings account lang. It's because magta-transfer kayo ng pera mula sa RCBC credit card ninyo at napakabilis lang ng process. Take note lang na hindi mo ito pera, kailangan mong bayaran ito. Ngayon, kung hindi mo kayang bayaran, pwede mong ipa-convert into installment, but make sure na talagang mabayaran mo siya ng maayos. Kasi mahi-hurt or masisira yung credit records ninyo or yung credit history mo sa CIC or sa bangko. Ngayon, in the future, mahihirapan ka na ma-approve ng loans at kung ano-ano pa, credit cards, ganyan, kapag kakailanganin or anything na related sa financial kapag nag-apply kayo sa any banks. It's because na red flag na yung pangalan nyo kasi may hindi kayo binayarang utang sa credit card. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!